$2,710 is how much I made today day trading. Let me show you what I did. Let's go. Okay, folks, first let's start with the proof. As usual, $2,710 is how much I made today. I took actually 5 trades, even if you only see 1, 2, 3, 4 over here, is because one of them was the same strike as this one here, the 1470. So first trade, I made $800 in about 9 minutes. And then the next trade actually was this one. I lost $570. And then I take the same strike again a little bit later, and I made $2,040. So 2,040 minus 570 equals 1,470. Third one, I made $110, and the last one, I made $310. If you add up all of this, equals $2,710. Let's look at the charts now. Let's go. Chart number 1, folks. As you can see, we opened up with a huge gap up, right? And then I had a trend line over here. Right before that gap, we went up and decided to hit it and reversed. So when we reversed, I actually entered here, loaded some contract, and that's where I made $800, okay? Trade number 2, and that was my loss for the day. So remember that trade over here, right? When I cut, then what I did is I saw that huge candle coming down here. So I started to jump on a wagon. When I jump on a wagon, so I jump on a wagon with only one contract, right? Because I really thought we will eventually fill that gap, and I want to work a little bit more on leaving a runner on. So I was like, you know what, I made 800 today already. Let me just have one runner, and if it goes against me, I just cut it. Obviously, I want to end up gluing today. That's the main priority. So we went down. I was up about 1,200 at this point, total for the day, because I made 800. So I was up like another like $400 and plus. And then this happened, this huge reversal, and now I was down minus $570. So now I'm pissed because even if I'm green, $230 for the day, I still messed up, okay? Third trade of the day, that happened again, and now I decided to enter. I decided to enter with a little bit of few contract here, and that's where I made $2,040 on this one here, got the center candle, okay? Remember, IV is still extremely high, even if it cooled down a little bit today, was like about 38%, but still very, very high, right? And then that was my son actually in the background, you can tell. He's having fun. Excuse me for the background noise, guys. And then fourth trade of the day. So by the way, I made 2,040 on this one, but I also made 110 because I fat figure one contract. I'll show you the contract after. And then the last one of the day, this one here, $330, just cutting the end of that candle over here. Now the crazy part is, and I don't like to make, if you watch my videos, I never ever say woulda, shoulda, coulda, but on this one I have to say that the contract that I have here, if I didn't cut them, they went up to 10K a contract all the way down here. That was pretty insane. But anyway, I made 27 and 10 for the day. I'm super excited. Let me show you the contract now. So once again, first trade where I made $800. I was in that trade from 7:05 until 7:14, so 9 minutes and some change. Second trade, the one that I messed up, and that's where you can see the contract that completely, it's a ton of my profit. I bought it at 24.30 and I cut it at 18.60, which was $570 loss. Then the third trade, and by the way, in that trade, I stayed 20 minutes. So that's a very long time for me. Let's go back here. Next one, third trade. So the third, I enter 8.19, cut it at 8.25. And then the last one here, 10.50, 10.52. That's it. Thank you so much for watching, guys. And I'll see you guys soon. Bye-bye.